Aave is set to gain 3.3% by May 8, based on Gov Capital Collector. But first, let's take a quick look at what's happening right now. According to the latest numbers, Aave is down 1.9% today and is holding around $92.17. Let's jump into what analysts project. CoinPress forecast expects a move toward $93.02 tomorrow, meaning an increase of approximately 0.9%. CoinLore foresees Aave heading for $93.95, roughly 1.9% more than the current price. Crypto Predictions points out the chance of reaching $94.76, a projected gain of 2.8%. A separate projection by Gov Capital Collector highlights Aave could reach $95.20, an increase of approximately 3.3%. Finally, 30 Rates forecasts a move toward $96.46 by May 8, marking a gain of 4.7%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. From the complete set of projections, the price could experience a move between a rise of 0.9% and an increase of 4.7%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, 30 Rates is at the top with 4.7% gain in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $9 and $47 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, coin price forecast has a 91.6% likelihood of being right. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus data points to Aave trading close to $94.68. So let's go step by step. Consensus projections indicate a 2.7% increase by tomorrow. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 2.7%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $27 under this forecast. And overall, this consensus outcome for Aave is given a probability of 81.6%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. An advancing course is described by CoinPrice Forecast. For the next few days, likewise, CoinLore expects Aave to strengthen. The direction similarly noted by Crypto Predictions is clearly upward. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector frames the 3-day picture as bullish. Meanwhile, 30 Rates expects Aave to rise over the next few days. Taking all opinions together, the consensus indicates Aave is tilted upward across the coming 3 days. Thus, the outlook is unanimous, with all forecasts pointing upward. Looking across the forecasts, most anticipate Aave gaining ground. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. By the end of trading, the price was $94.34. As it turned out, just a fraction of the forecasts matched the move's direction. Accuracy-wise, CoinLore provided the tightest prediction. Here comes the breakdown. In this case, 2 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. Regarding ROI, more than one analyst showed profit, with CoinLore reaching 1.5%. Here's the full overview, all forecasts verified and compared. For context, CoinLore shows 1.5% ROI and accuracy. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. Aave doesn't lead in this forecast as PEEP stands highest with 5.6%. In this section, Aave is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. Found this overview helpful? Like the video and subscribe to follow the next one. See you in the next update.